Sammy, oh. Good pass, Sam, good pass. That's her. Nice, Sammy.
Nice rebound, Sam.
Nice shot, Sierra.
Get it back, Em. You gotta get it back now.
Drive.
Good job. Get out of there, Em. Right there, Trees. Let's 12 there in danger. Come on, Em. Same play over again. Get it back. Nice. Get it up. Go, Em. Easy. Easy. Over there. Come on, Em.
Jared, do another one.
Stop the middle. Don't let him drive. Nice.
Drive.
Go. She caught it on the line, buddy. And he was on the baseline making that call. Yeah. Get it back. Just get it back. Coming back on top.
Move your feet.
No, don't watch it. Nice, McKenzie. Good job.
Strong. Stronger.
Come on, girls. Hustle.
I knew that was terrible. No, it's cheat over more. Cheat over more. You know where it's going to go. You're not going to make a long cross-court pass.
Good pass, girls. Come on.
I know, that was a makeup call right there. He's like, I screwed up the last one, so.
Look up.
Watch that, Jared. You know she's gonna shoot. Get on your girl.
Drive.
Nice.
Nice. Catch it before you start to dribble.
Gotta be a foul in there somewhere. Once they do it,
Get the ball back, Em. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Pay attention.
Ball. Pressure. Get him! Pressure!
Drive it.
10 seconds, pressure! Get it!
Shoot!
Get him!
Shoot! Shoot it!
Good sportsmanship.